Hello guys, today I'm going to master blizzard fruit. I heard that this is a good fruit, so I'm eating it. Before we move on, please don't forget to like and subscribe, or I will tell you the biggest secret, that you're gay. Okay, now let's eat this fruit. Let the grind begin. Go to hell. Second move, tornado flight. I thinks it's similar to smoked fruit. Next move, unlocked whiteout. Next move, unlocked howling wind. Last move, unlocked blizzard domain. It's a good fruit for grinding. Let's test this fruit for doing a combo. Rate this combo from question mark out of 10. Crazy and smooth combo. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, or this kid will be coming for you. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.